long seen as a messenger of doom, an omen of war, famine, and death. Halleys Comet has generated much fear over the centuries. In more modern times, it's been the object of extreme curiosity.
It seems to me was kind of brownish or dark looking then, but it was beautiful.
Ruby Surprise remembers seeing Halleys Comet the last time it made an appearance here. That was 1910.
But I didn't dream of I'd ever get to see it again. We were laughing about that. In another 75 years, you know, get to see it.
This is the way the comet looked at that time in a color-enhanced photo taken at Mount Wilson Observatory in California. It was Edmund Halley who first realized these comets make return visits. By predicting the return of this special comet, it was named in his honor. The comet is in an elliptical orbit around our sun, and as it gets closer to the sun, the solar wind creates an electrified tail of gas on the comet. This tail gets larger as it gets closer to the sun, always pointing away from the sun. These are the stages the comet will go through over the next several months. But astronomers and enthusiasts may be a little disappointed in Halley's next appearance.
The position of the Earth relative to the comet is a much greater distance than 1910. It's going to be seen better in the southern hemisphere because it'll be very low in our hemisphere.
Having the right equipment for viewing the comet will be important.
I definitely recommend for the average person a pair of binoculars, not a telescope. You need wide field, not high power.
For those of you hoping to see Halley's Comet, the best views probably won't start until January in the western sky. You won't see it in February, but by March the views will start again. As the tail gets longer, Halley's Comet will be at its best by late March and into early April. Although it will be difficult, you may be able to see the comet even now. If you want more information, check with the Denver Museum of Natural History and Gates Planetarium.
October 26th, our show will start. It'll run through May 4th. We'll show you how to find the comet in the sky in conjunction with a constellation, how to photograph it, what kind of binoculars to use, and just have a real good time in our program.
Superstitions and folklore surround this comet like no other. Remedies for comet sickness were big in 1910. Remedies like Dr. Bob's Comet Pills. The guarantee says we will cheerfully refund your money in the event you are struck by Halley's Comet. A safe bet. Scientists tell us there is no chance Earth will collide with Halley's Comet. Steve Anderson, environmental specialist, News Center 4.